Hello, here's a quick, straightforward tutorial showing you how to use the printing store included with your online gallery. So your gallery is partnered with one of the best professional printing labs in the country. So you can order high quality products directly from your photo gallery, which is right over here. And once you receive your gallery, you can scroll through all the images and select your favorites. Your print store offers everything from smaller prints to enlargements to wall arts to photo albums. So, for example, if I really like, let's see, I actually really like this photos and this photos and this photo. I like everything. So I can come to the print store, or I can just click on the photo and go to buy photos. It can also take us to the print store as well. But I encourage you to click to the store that gives you a better selection. So let's say, for example, you just want a regular little print photos you want to put on your fridge. You can select any of those. You want to do your customized art printing design, you can do it as well. If you want a more kind of a high-end elaborate design canvas or wood frames, here's a bunch of options you can choose from. You can do holiday cards. You can do albums. Album is fantastic for a lot of wedding guest books and private collections. So yeah, it really gave you a lot of flexibility in terms of sizes, printing materials. Just for example, the albums, you come in here, give you all different sizes, and then the material. You can see the cover of the book. You can do a little bit picture in the front. You can do kind of like half size, covers the entire half page, premium leather, linen, just so many different options. And once you start designing, let's just randomly select a couple. Once you start designing, take a little second. And once you get here, they let you to add additional spreads. So spreads are basically 1 to 2 pages. You can add up to 50, I believe, and you can choose your cover type. You can add cover options, where give you so many different customized options. And you can drag and drop your photo. Let's say we really like this photo. Give that little vibe, the mood. Double click. We're walking towards the future. Right here. Bam, it's great. All right, now let's come to the first page. And I really like to start with this photo right here. Okay, then I'm going to have to decide. I'm going to have more layouts. Let's see if I like to have this on this side, smaller, take up maybe like more pages, double click, drag it up. No, I like to see full body. Maybe you like to see half body. That's where you have a lot of options. Bam, double click. I want to see the feet. I don't want to crop it out. Bam, that could be a nice squared design. And here, maybe you can leave it blank, let people write stuff, or you can also bring one and maybe two. Let me see. Bam, 2 photos, up and down, or this one, or back to this one, or back to this one, or maybe just half. Let's see. Provide a little mood. Yeah, that looks cool. Very artistic. Or I want to see full body. You just have so many different options. Without taking much of your time, I kind of briefly show you what you can do with the printing lab. It's very powerful. Make sure to take advantage of it. And I'm a one phone call away if you have any questions.